In this video, I will be showing you how to uninstall Git in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just go to search and search for apps. You'll be having this apps and features. Open it, and here we'll be having search this list. Just search for Git, and here is the one that we need to uninstall. Click it and select uninstall, and click on uninstall again. Select yes, and it will be asking us if we want to completely remove. I will just click on yes, and the uninstall process will begin now. And we got the successful message. Okay, and as you can see, Git has been removed. And even if I go to control panel, Git won't be available over here. And now we need to delete some Git folders. So just come to this PC, local disk C, and we'll be having here program files, and here we are having a Git folder. So just make sure that you are deleting it. So that's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.